Pigeons are weird. I always see them out sat there doing nothing. It's like the robots. I've never seen a baby one. Matter of fact, I don't even know what one looks like. Even the internet doesn't have anything. They show up fully grown like it's normal. Look at this little twat walking up. I know your game, lad. I know you're not real. Go ahead, fuck off now. And the more I think about it, they're always lined up on wires like they're on shift or something. Just watching. Bit strange.